Hello, lovers, sunflowers, and crochet. Let's make this adorable sunflower earphone pouch. You can attach to your bag. It has enough space to hold one pair of earphones. It can also be used as a coin purse keychain. Okay, for these demonstrations, I am use four-ply milk cotton yarn and for this demonstration, I am using four-ply milk cotton yarn and 3.5 and 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, first to make a magic ring, chain 2 to make the turning chain. This does not count as a stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. This is the first double crochet, and beginners can place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue crocheting 15 more DC into the ring. There are 16 stitches in the first round. After completing 16 stitches, pull the yarn tight to close the ring. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over and slip stitch. Tighten the loop. Now we will start round 2. First, we make chain 2 as the turning chain. Work an increase in the first stitch. Place the yarn tail on the hook to hide the yarn. Remember to attach the stitch marker in the first stitch. Work a more DC in the same stitch to make an increase. In round 2, crochet to double crochet in each stitch. After finishing, there will be 32 stitches. Here we will not give the slip stitch. Here I will cut the yarn and pull over the yarn, and the yarn insert into a needle, and then in the first stitch I will join there. For this stitch, there is finishing is so good, so I use here a needle to make a slip stitch. Now I fast enough tied the yarn and I close the yarn with other part. Tighten it. Now I am going to make puff stitch. At first I make a slip knot and then I attached it with my main core of this pouch. Then I make a one chain and there I make another chain. This is count one double crochet, and here I am taking another double crochet and there is double crochet. In total 3 double crochet, and in the next space I will make 3 double crochet. Now pull the yarn and at the first double crochet chain there I pull the yarn and close it. Again I am going to make 3 chain and insert the hook next space and make again 3 double crochet, and again I am going to next page and there I am making another 3 double crochet, and like first puppy stitch I'm going to make all the round puppy stitch. Now I am in the last 5 puppy stitches, and here I closed puppy stitch with a slip stitch. First puppy stitch height I close the slip stitch and I will cut the yarn and it height or tighten it. Okay, then I am going to make a petals of sunflower pouch. For the petals I will take a green milk cotton yarn, and here I will make slip knot and turn the yarn, and here I will make one chain and next chain and here I'm going to make slip knot and then I will insert it space and there make a one chain, and here I am going to make a single crochet. First in the same space I am going to make a half double crochet, and again I am going to make a double crochet, and next I am going to make a triple crochet, and in the next space I am going to make, I mean the head of the puppy stitch, I am going to make 3 triple crochet. 3 triple crochet. Look closely, and in the next space again I'm going to make 3 triple crochet. Again here I'm going to make 3 triple crochet, and then make a double crochet and half double crochet and single crochet. Complete my one petal. In the next space I'm going to make single crochet. Like this I cover the full round. Make this petal, and then when I reach the last petals, then I close it with the first petal, first chain. There is slip knot, and I will not cut the yarn. Here I may pull over the yarn. Look closely please. Yeah, pull over the yarn and make a 30 chain to make a ribbon. And another part of this sunflower, same here, I make only 8 chain and close there, and in this part I am going to make 30 chain and I close it first chain. Where started first chain, there I will close it with slip knot. I have completed the ribbon of the pouch. This is the part 2 and there is a part 1. Now I am going to join this two part and with needle. Here I will not use crochet hook. So look closely please. The ribbon 1 and the second ribbon same, place the same here. I insert the marker because from where to where I needle with from where to where I swing the two part for to mark it. Then I started with needle with grenier, swing it, and then I will complete it my earphone, sunflower earphone pouch. Look, I insert the needle and turn over, pull the yarn, and here I tighten the yarn, and now I sewing it to part with needle. Here I will hide the yarn in the middle, so the extra yarn I will hide there, and I will guard the yarn. Now I have completed my back charm or sunflower earpod pouch. If you like it, then please like and follow to my channel, and if you want hack, more crochet hack or more crochet pattern or tutorial, then follow my channel and subscribe it.